What if your AI could do more than just automate? What if they could evolve with intelligence, personality, and control? Because conversations aren't just tasks. They shape how people experience your brand, build loyalty, and drive growth. That's why we built Qiscus AgentLabs, to help you create AI agents that go beyond automation. Your agents are still grounded in the pillars of intelligence, brand-aligned persona, and governance, but now sharper, stronger, and smarter than ever. With Flow Starter, launching an AI agent is no longer a heavy lift. You can deploy agents in minutes. Reflect your tone. And with Flow Starter, booking appointments is effortless. All bookings are managed, recorded, and confirmed, with no separate booking system. Then design how each conversation flows, without scripting every single word. That's the power of conversation flow. How do you make your AI better? By knowing what it's answering, what it's missing. Query Sense makes that easy. You can also track your AI agent's confidence scores, ensuring every response meets the standard you expect. AI Analytics shows you what's working across human and AI agents, so you can see the full picture and improving faster. And with AI Activity Log, you can review past conversations to refine and improve your AI agent's responses. All of these features work seamlessly together, helping your business scale with confidence. Everything works together, so your business can scale confidently. It's no longer just about doing things faster. It's about doing the right things in the right way at scale. AgentLabs by Qiscus AI.